ECD Customs come with an array of options and modern conveniences that our clients can enjoy that were not necessarily part of the original Land Rover design. I think a great feature to have is our touchscreen stereo unit with CarPlay, Bluetooth of course. That way the folks can have their own maps projected from their phone into the screen without having to worry about updating those. It's always a live feed, and what you have from Google Maps or Waze, and also of course for music, people like to hear their own, and they can certainly take advantage of CarPlay for Android as well as iPhone, which is a great feature to have in today's vehicles. Also, of course, the convenience of power windows and locks, secondary AC unit, which comes really handy in warmer climates. So we set up a complete second AC unit with vents in the middle row, so it'll help cool the vehicle a lot faster. And like I said, especially in warmer climates, this is a great add-on to have. Some of the features Land Rover never added to their vehicles in the assembly line, and we do offer as an option on our custom ECD vehicles, are features such as blind spot assist with sensors that will give you a flashing light if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Also, backup sensors and backup camera were never part of the original design on Land Rovers. However, we integrate those elements into our cars for more or better usability and practicality as well as safety.